Batman and Deadpool is a DC and a Marvel crossover one-shot. This is the DC version, and I like the Marvel version better. And honestly, I like the cover more than the story. And the only reason is this. It's called the Cosmic Kiss Caper. I don't do cosmic stuff. I don't like it. It was a little complicated, has a bunch of, ducks. And I was lost at some points. I know a lot of people like this kind of stuff. Personally, not my thing. What I did like is when Damian came along, and then when they became Dead Bat. Although I would like Batpool better. I think that sounds better. As usual, it's a crossover one-shot, has a few other mini stories featuring classic superheroes like Nightwing, Wolverine, Hulk, Doctor Strange, Harley Quinn, so many. They were good, they were okay, but again, I prefer the Marvel version of this crossover rather than this one.